see the how to launch the Windows machine by using the AWS. So first thing we have to do is just click on the running instance. There are no instance running in my account, and right now I am in the North Virginia. So I'm going to click the launch instance. The next thing we have to do is we have to go for the Windows. So you can see that the Microsoft Windows Server 2016 edition is available, and if you scroll down you will see more than this like base container and deep learning AMI, and you have a lot of servers, Windows servers 2008 to 2000. So right now I am going to use this Windows Server 2016 base, since it's a free tier eligibility. And if you select this one, next you can select the T2 micro and just go to next, and you can configure the VPC. By default I am taking this VPC. You can keep in any availability zone if you want, and the subnet and the public IP address is enabled automatically. And apart from this we need not to touch anything, just go for add storage. Basically when you are launching the EC2 instance like a Unix or something, it will use 8 GB, but Windows will make use of 30 GB for damn sure. So if you add any sort of new volumes, it is chargeable, because for free tier eligibility customer you can use only up to 30 GB EBS volume. So if you are about to add something, you will be charged for that particular volume. So next go to tags. If you want to tag, you just type like machine type, okay, Windows. Or if you want to add your employee ID or something, you can add all those, email ID, everything. So configure to settings, and here you can see that by default it is coming RDP protocol. If you want to proceed you can, otherwise if you want SSH also you can do it, but there is no use just by going RDP is good enough. So just save name with Windows security group, copy, and below in description also you can paste. Okay, and I am allowing the public IP address, means I can connect from anywhere by using this. So just click on review and launch. You can review all the details here, okay, and just click on launch. And here you need to give the key pair. I am just typing Windows key pair key. So download, and you need to click on launch instance. So once you launch the instance, you can see that you click on this instance ID so that it will navigate to there, and you can see that it generated the public DNS and the public IP, and you can make use of that. So right now what we have to do is, once the instance type status change it to running, so we can make use of that. But if you want to connect, you have to wait for 4 minutes, because the bootstrap everything AWS will set up. So it will take some time, around 5 minutes. I will pause now. Now you can see that it's a running state, but if I click on connect, it will tell to wait for some time. And now you can download the remote desktop file, and if I click on get password, it will ask for please wait at least 4 minutes after launching the instance before trying to retrieve the auto generated password. So we need to wait around 4 to 5 minutes, so that then only we can generate the password. But you can click on this RTP file which is downloaded from the AWS. So here you can click on connect. It will ask password right now. So now on screen you are seeing that it is asking for the password. That password we can generate only by using the connect, and if you click on get generated, still it is showing this thing. So let us wait for a few more minutes. So once you are done, you just click on the connect, and we had already downloaded this remote desktop file, and when you click on the get password, we'll ask for the PEM file. So you need to update the PEM file which is you configured earlier, and if you didn't know the name exactly, and it will show list here. So right now I am configured the windows key.pem, so I need to upload the same key here. It will be there in downloads, windows.pem. so if you click on this and just click on the decrypt password, it will gives you the unique password, and you just copy this password and go to your RTP and you just paste it over here and just click on OK. Now it will connect to the Windows system. You just type S, like accepting the certificates. So you can see that it is preparing Windows machine and the user is administrator. So this is how we can launch the Windows server using AWS, and from here you can see that how the Windows machine looks like, and you can have a look. So you have all the admin tools over here. First time it will ask for network, you just leave S. So all the admin tools, PowerShell, everything is here. And if you are working on this Windows servers, you can make use of this. So once you are done, you just click on the power and you can disconnect it or shut down it or restart it, whatever according to your need you can do. And if you see the disk also, whatever you configured like that 30 GB, it will be available over here. So you can see that 30 GB and 15 GB is used for the OS and other softwares. So you can store up to again 15 GB. So that is for user data. And this is how you can launch the Windows machine. And I hope it helps you.